Hi, my name's Alex and I'm a BMW Genius at Fields BMW in Northfield. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your active cruise control with stop and go. First, on your steering wheel, you're going to push the lane keeping assist button. You'll notice that in the middle, right in here, the lane, it'll look like two lines that are green. This means that your car is holding the lane. As you can see, I take my hands off and the car, again, is holding the lane. I don't ever recommend you taking your hands off the steering wheel, and the car actually won't either. It'll actually blink yellow when it wants you to hold the steering wheel. To keep the distance between you and the car in front of you, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and set your cruise control the way you would. You'll push the top button, set, and then you can adjust the distance here. So if I want to be closer to the car, it'll bring me closer. As you can see ahead of us, we are keeping the distance from the car in front of us. And I'm actually not actively driving at the moment. Again, the car always asks that you have your hands on the steering wheel, and we don't ever recommend you taking your hands off. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. Thank you.